Good day from wherever you may be watching our video, and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a 3D logo for a a Igbo kitchen or a Igbo food vendor. When making a 3D logo or before making a 3D logo design for a client, you need to consider the kind of services that client renders, the kind of job or the kind of services the person renders to the public will determine the kind of logo that you're going to make for that person. Now, this particular client, she's a traditional cook. She specializes on cooking traditional dishes and local dishes, like it's a Igbo kitchen. Yes, it's a Igbo kitchen. She runs a Igbo kitchen. And making a logo for her brand, you need to think well. Think about what is going to be eye-catching, what is going to rhyme with our brand. You don't just design a pot of soup and make a logo. No, you need to come up with something new, something unique. And for this particular video, you're going to be making mortar. You're going to be designing mortar. So without wasting much of your time, let's go into the thing. The first thing you do in situations like this, you come to your elements. In elements, you have a lot of shapes. You come here and you put it in see all so that you'll be able to look for, select the kind of, these are the ones that I have used previously because I have designed something like that before. So I want to take you step by step on how to make this. Now, what we have to do is just come to shapes, come down, look for the shape that looks like a mortar. All these ones does not resemble mortar, so you look for the one that look like mortar. I think this one looks like mortar, so we carry it here, paste it here. That's it. That's not all. It's looking like a mortar already, but we need to finish it up. Mortar used to have foundation under, so I think this will do. Let's take this one there, and we have to put it under, but you can see it is too big, so, and it's not looking like a mortar. Let us reduce it. Now we have reduced it. Can you see it is looking something like a mortar right now? Can you see that? Okay, that's not all. Let's shift it upward a little so that it will not have any line. Okay, we need to create our pesto. I think this shape tool will do. Let's make our pesto. And let us rotate it so that it will fit. Gentlemen, can you see this? So here we are, we have made our mortar, but it's not really looking like, there's nothing like a blue mortar. So let us change the color. Let's change the color to brown. I think mortars are brown. Let's change general color of everything. The mortar and the pesto have the same colors, so that is it. Here we go, and we have made our, we have designed it here on Canva. Sorry for that, sorry about that. I did not tell you the software we are using from the onset. We are making use of Canva, so we have designed it here on Canva. I think this is okay. I will not go into writing, making of write-ups and all that. I just want to teach you how to make the logo. Then it is left to you to put the write-ups you want, the services you render below it, and the name of our kitchen or our brand. That is left for you, the viewers, to decide if you are making this for a client. The next thing to do now is looking like a mortar already, but we cannot just post this. This is not yet a TVD logo. We come down to our browser, come up here, and we search for photopea.com. Photopea.com to bring us to the dashboard of Photopea. In my previous videos, those that are following, they will have seen that I have made many. Most times when I want to make 3D logo, I come down here. But for those that are just watching for the first time, that don't know about my channel, or that came across my channel one way or the other, this is what we use to make our 3D logo. You don't need to go to your app store to start downloading apps that have ready-made templates. You should learn, as a graphic designer, you should learn how to make your own templates. So the next step, you will not come here, new project, you will not come here, open from computer. You will click on templates. You click once. You can see there are so many templates here, so many mockups, right here, so many mockups here. You can see this. There are so many mockups here, so many. You can choose the one that fits your brand. You can see this. You can see this. So many amazing mockups. But you don't just click on any mockup randomly. You look for the one that suits, that will make that your logo stand out, that will make it brighter and it will be flashy and eye-catching. But if you just choose any, like if you go for all these dark mockups, these dark mockups are classic mockups. It will not rhyme. That was a mistake. I mistakenly clicked on that, so we need to go back. And click again, because the PC I am using is a screen touch, so my hand mistakenly touched it. So we need to go back, come to templates again. Then, can you see, gentlemen, these are a lot of amazing mockups you can use, but make sure when you use the mockup, your logo will stand out. It will be bright. Don't just use any random mockups. Take your time, look for mockups that will match. If you still try anyone that you think that will match and it does not match, you can cancel and check again. I'm here to find the mockup that we will use. Still in search of a mockup that will fit for that. We have a lot of amazing mockups here. Remember, you cannot put that kind of logo in places like this. In places like this, you can't, because this is a class, this is a standard office. You can't put your mortar in the office. So we look for something that looks, or that will rhyme with our work. You take your time to do that. I don't want to waste much of your time. For the purpose of this class, I will just have to pick a random mockup so that I will not waste your time. You click once and you come down to this link here, this particular link here. You click once. Now it will open. The network is bad, so please bear with us. It's opening. Before it will finish opening, let's go back to our car. Let's go and save our work. Remember, when saving this work, make sure you save as a PNG file. Very important. Come to download PNG. Don't save as JPEG. Don't save as PDF. Don't save as PDF print. Don't save as all this. save as a PNG. You come to compress file lower quality so that it will save your data, and you come to transparent background. Very important. Even if you forget to compress the file, don't forget transparent background. Don't forget. If not, your file will come out with a white background and it will not run with your mockup. Very important. Transparent background. You turn it on. Then come here. We select the current page, which I am page 11. Click on done. Then you save. I usually save my own works to my downloads. So it has been saved automatically to my download. Then we come back to our Photopea. It is still loading and it has finished opening. The step now, gentlemen, please follow my arrow. You come down here. This place they will place your design. Don't click on this word. Click on this particular white board. Double click on it. Double click on it. Click. You see that? Then you come here to this icon that is showing, that looks like an eye. You click once. That's it. You come up here to my file. Click on the file. Open in places. It will take you to your already made design. Here is my open here, or wherever you save yours. Me, I saved mine in download, so you can go to wherever you save. You click on it once and you open. Can you see? And you can make it as bold as you want it to be. So I'll just be doing it like this for the sake of this video. I don't want to waste much of your time and your data. So this is what we do. I've made mine very big and bold. Can you see? The next thing we're going to do now, we're going to come to file again, come down to save smart objects. Very important. Click on it once. I've clicked on that. It has saved smart objects saved. Then you come back here and you click once and it load. So this is our 3D mortar logo for a traditional kitchen. If you like, you can add a lot of words down here, and you also do that with your Canva software. Can you see we have made a 3D logo for mortar that is looking exactly like a mortar? You don't really need courage to start designing, to start drawing mortar, to start doing. All are just, you can do all this on our Canva software using making use of our shapes and all that. So that is it. Can you see I have made it as brown as I want? Whatever way you want it to be, it's all here. You can be changing it from these icons that you see here. So me, I want mine to look so brown. Can you see? I want it to look so brown. That is why I made it like this. But it's looking like a mortar and a pestle. So that is all for today's class. See you in our next class. Thank you for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. But very important, please like this video, please. Thank you very much. God bless.